Only Boolean and Boolean expressions can be used in control flow statement and as the first operand of the conditional operator, question mark and colon. An integer or floating point expression x can be converted to a Boolean value following the C language convention that any non-zero value is true by the expression x is not equal to 0, x exclamation mark equal sign and 0. An object reference, obj, can be converted to a Boolean value following the C language convention that any reference other than null value is true by the expression object is not equal to null. Obj, exclamation mark, equal sign, and null. A Boolean value can be converted to a string by string conversion. A Boolean value may be cast to type Boolean, Boolean, or object. No other casts on type Boolean are allowed. There are 4 kinds of reference types: class type, interface type, type variables, and array types. An object is a class instance or an array. The reference values, often just references, are pointers to these objects, and a special non-reference which refers to no object. A class instance is explicitly created by a class instance creation expression. An array is explicitly created by an array creation expression. Other expressions may implicitly create a class instance or an array. The operators of references to objects are field access using either a qualified name or field access expression, method invocation, the cast operator, the string concatenation operator, plus sign, which when given a string operand and a reference will convert the reference to a string by invoking the toString method of the reference to object, using null if either the reference or the result of toString is a null reference, and then will produce a newly created string that is the concatenation of the 2 strings. The instance of operator, the reference equality operators, equal sign, and not equal sign, not equal, exclamation mark and equal sign, the conditional operator, question mark and colon. There may be many references to the same Java object. Most objects have state stored in the fields of objects that are instances of the classes or in the variables. There are the components of an array object if 2 variables contain references to the same object. The state of the object can be modified using the variable's reference to the object and then be altered, and then the altered state can be observed through the references in the other variable. Each Java object is associated with a monitor which is used by synchronized method and the synchronized statement to provide control over concurrent access to the state by multiple threads. The class object is a superclass of all other classes. I am Alan Young. I'm an Asian American researcher, inventor, engineer, and entrepreneur. My life story is available in my autobiography. I pursue what I really want to do in my life, which is advancing AI, robotics, human longevity biotech, and nuclear fusion reactors powered outer space tech. I sell a number of products online for commissions for financially self-supporting my cause of advancing science, technology, and capitalism. I personally use all the products that I sell via affiliate marketing or online recommendation. All the products I sell online are listed at alanyoung.dev/product. I need to stay lean for top mental performance. Being fat slows me down. Being lean speeds me up. Visit alanyoung.dev/fat loss for the natural diet, body fat loss product I use and recommend. I need to constantly program my mind for success. Visit alanyoung.dev/success for the Success Mind programming product I use and recommend. I need to handle my dating and lifestyle for success in my whole life, not just in business and career. Visit alanyoung.dev/dating for men's dating and lifestyle coaching product I use and recommend. I teach myself software development for developing and commercializing AI, robotics, biotech products. Visit alanyoung.dev/courses for my software development courses. I'm looking for accredited investors for funding my startup in AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion tech. If you'd like to invest in my startup, visit robocentric.com/investors.